Lazy children, as if they have not eaten in months. Meanwhile, keep a bag of curry, they will chew it and crack it up like no man business. Chewing it at will, cracking all the pan kernels in the neighborhood, and chewing it like jackals.
I will put this thing down and rest. My neck is on fire. It's paining me. Uncle, me too, my neck is paining me.
Will you shut up? What else are you too good for in this life? Than to work hard like donkeys you are. That is what you're good for. So I don't want to hear any more complaints from two of you. Go! The man that kills in the broad daylight. Oh, who are you? That is what you are. Yes, stop looking at me like that. Yeah. You think I'm afraid of your face? Oteka. I have warned you severally. Stay off my path. Let me tell you, you don't have a path too. Do you have a path? Which path do I have to stay off? Let me tell you, I will not and I can never stay off anywhere. As long as this land is concerned, I'm not taking off anywhere. Look at you. See, look at the way you're treating these innocent children. You're treating them like slaves. Because their parents are no more. Yes, because their parents are no more. That is the reason you're treating them the way you like. Let me tell you, these children that they are orphans, fatherless and motherless, was because you killed their parents. What are you doing? Look out! Let me go. After all my warnings not to be saying such things in public, you're still here vomiting it out of your mouth before these children. I can say this thing even in Igwe's presence. I can say these things even in police station. Let me tell you, the only reason I cannot say this is if I'm dead or motionless. That's the only time I cannot say it. Then I will assist you to send you to early grave. Let me tell you, you cannot do anything. You think I'm afraid of your charms? I'm not afraid of your evil doing. I am strong. Yes, I am strong. You cannot do me anything. This is how you are treating these children because their parents are no more. I wish the dead could hear. Their parents would have risen from the dead now and flog you koboko. You wake up and leave everything that you're doing. What I can pull? Remove your hand from evil. Else, you're going to die like an evil man. And if you die, in case you don't know, I'll come to your burial and drink a very good tree. A very chill tree. Make sure you plant a lot of money for a rice on your burial day because I will eat nyafu nyafu. I will drink boignon. I will eat ngongo na ngongo. Utuano. Afano. That is what I will eat in my home. Now talk on the mess up. For all the money when your papa gets, your brother evil man gets, you know if you even collect better money, only 5K now you bring. What happened now? How dare you come back further and no come back? It can't talk with that one. But forget, you won't divert from what you will talk. Everybody knows say your papa be as he gets. But you know still shit from the fact say he supposed to bring better money. No they high, no they poorly as they go. You understand? Gaba, Bao, see, let me tell you, forget, better one will come out. So far, see, you they appreciate me. Appreciate me now. No, sir, I appreciate all this better. Don't you see, how long will we go to share? You supposed to bring my make her the take, job. But nobody that is less much. Every moment you use comb, carry mirror. Yeah, I won't even sell this house as baby yourself. Now Canada mind. But your mind is Canada now. No, I'm not outside Canada. I say I will enter Canada. No, I'm not saying with the small, not the body behind me. Jaka. Oh, man. Yeah, the bad guy. Poco master. Come say, if they say they now, if I don't give you tempo run now, no know the story. See, you know how they tell you because as you be like this now, you supposed enter ransack everywhere, collect everywhere you don't collect. This evening go meet for our corner. Me I don't arrange better bully, understand? For you.
Yaka. We need to be high, you understand? You can only be high to meet the most high.
Hey, you understand? That's what it be. Yaka, you on you. Let me tell you, they're all praying for me. They don't want me to prosper. Man, actually, for the boy, gonna suffer. That's in Versace. You want to jumper and the Dole. See Jay-Z go hear my voice. See 50 cents. Now Kiwi polish. Now go use to polish my shoe. Nicki Minaj. Now what for you? Now my bitch now.
How dare you stay and watch that man call me evil? And you had the infantry to ask me if I was the one that killed your parents. So all this while, both of you have been seeing me as a killer.
Wait, it's not true. It's not true. What is it?
Oh, Enyuchi, you allowed him to escape. I am going to kill you here today. I will kill you here today.
Kill me, no. Kill me. What is it? Eh? You want to kill those children or disable them before you rest? Eh? Oh, Guinea, what is wrong?
Now I see that you're part of those people that see me as evil.
I don't see you as evil. I know you as evil. Duko, you are my husband. I have been with you for so long. Oh, Guinea, where are your children? Eh? Those ones are wayward. Now you want to kill these good ones. Oh, Guinea.
Chijileji kefopozonu iye dioku gajuno iyo ebezina nwata bialu wadibenu mama gio anorinso papa gio anoyinso mana chiki noginso ebezina iye dioku gajuno
Oteka! Ha! This one you are coming out of my plantation. Are you now using this place for toilet?
Let me take point of correction. If I'm looking for a place to defecate, I go to Sheraton. I go to a very comfortable zone to go and defecate. You think I am your level? I am above you if you don't know. If I want to pass out whatever thing that I ate, I go to a where the presidentials do their own. That is where I will go and do my own. You think I will come? I only went there to pass out urine. It was only urine that I passed out. Are you
sure?
You understand? Let me, thank you very much. Do Ruji or do Red, which one you are called. Let me tell you, from here now, go straight to your friend's house. Go and tell Idiko that I said, I am sending you this message. Tell Idiko that I said, if he does not stop the way he maltreats Uchechi, if he does not stop treating them like animals, I will go to the whole village and village beyond, village above, and tell everybody your involvement in the death of their parents. Yes, you think I don't know? You people killed their parents in order to take over their properties, and it will not work. On that very day, I was tortured. I was tortured under that tree when you people were lying the Nkata. When you were designing how to go and implement your mpo, I heard everything, I saw everything. Let me tell you, go now, else I will announce to the whole, in fact, BBC will hear it.
Oteka, don't say something that will put you into trouble.
You think you can put me into trouble? Let me tell you, you cannot do anything, no. My truth cannot put me into trouble. Yes, truth. If you say the truth can. 10 of you put together. Go extra mile and gather more charms. You cannot do anything to me. Tell him what I said though. It's not a threat, it's a promise. If you don't tell him, I'll tell the whole village. Look at you. You went and planned and killed their parents. Only for you people to go and take over their properties. It will not work for you. Your plans have failed. In fact, your plans have failed. I was going this direction though, but because an evil man like you is passing this direction, let me take bypass. Let me take bypass and go my way. I cannot follow your footpath. You're an evil man.
Kochalo Ini Edo Egwu. Need it. See this house. You need to sell this house.
Yeah, una pura my entrance to this place. Yeah, Monica. I am talking and you're smoking. In Apala.
Look at this man. What's your problem now? How many times do I have to tell you not to call me Polika? Nah, what for you? Nah, tell me a swag now. Call me Poco.
Poco, I'm a power Poco on the bow. Poco, power Poco. No, only job won't Poco. I'm no man. Let me tell you something. If you don't change from this your lifestyle of Igbo and cigarette, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're done.
Papa, see, let me tell you. If you like, say whatever you want to say. If you like, disown me. If you like, don't. See, let me tell you. I've already disowned you. So many years ago. I don't know you because of the bad things you are doing.
Bad things like what? I'm asking you. Is it Polika or Poco you call yourself? Bad things like what?
Papa, calm down. You don't need to ask. You know it already. So, but just allow us to enjoy our life.
Look at who is talking. Just because you're named Onyinye does not mean Nigerian Naga. Is it because your name is Gift that you have to sleep with anything called a man as a gift?
Okunaga wam anya na fuya.
I would like it this weekend. Why will Uncle treat us like this? Why will Uncle treat us like slaves? I've seen us shooting under the rain.
Chichi, this is the height of wickedness. But one thing I know is that the creator of heaven and earth is not sleeping. Our tears will not flow forever. So stop crying. Stop crying.
Treat us like slaves. Papa.
Stop crying. Don't worry.
Papa.
I was in the loop when he said that. I never knew he saw us that night while on the tree.
Dikeh, diffuse your fears. Be a man for once. Oteka is like a pest that will soon be eradicated with pesticide. All he has is that mouth. Tomorrow morning, you're going to America to get something that will silence him forever. And I'll pay.
You want to make him deaf and dumb?
Yes. That way he will not have anything to say about any evil.
I will go. Because if I fail, he will expose me.
Oh.
And my chances of becoming a member of the US cabinet will not be fulfilled. I will go.
As early as first cock crow, you are already at home working. To get Opichiko, I will pitch on one silence here forever. And I will take her. Yes. No, I want a solution. And I will take her. We have now Wait, Bob. Eh? They're doing it normal there now. Over here! Who have you come to kill? It was a very big grass cutter. that was digging a big hole here. He just escaped. A very dangerous one.
Wonderful.
Yes.
A big grass cutter.
He just escaped. A very dangerous one.
A big grasshopper that was digging a hole.
I didn't say grasshopper. I said grass cutter.
Grass cutter that was digging a hole. Let me ask you, when did grasshopper now, or grass cutter, whatever you called it, started coming in red form with white, tied to a stick with a feather? Let me tell all this thing you're doing, it will not help you. Idiko, you have killed your brother and have taken over all his lands. Now you have come to plant charm on this land. Release those children. Wherever you tied them, release them to possess their father's land. Go back and Po, remove your hand from evil. I'm telling you.
Oteka, I can see you have gone to smoke wee-wee. That is why you are running your mouth like a shotgun. What is your problem?
Thank God I run my mouth.
I don't have any time for you.
Come, are you running away? Come and show me the grass cutter now. Come and show me the stubborn grass cutter that escaped. Look at you. Human beings does not escape you. Grass cutter will escape you. If you can kill a human being, what is grass cutter to you? I have told you, stop killing people in this village. You don't want to hear. This is your brother's property. Who is this guy grass cutter that does not use his leg to run? It just disappeared. What kind of grass cutter is that one? This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Let me tell you, all this nonsense you're doing, I will not close my mouth. I will continue firing you until the day you repent. Repent from your evil ways, else send there and give me water. Respect yourself, oh. In fact, this mouth will not close until I get you exposed. I'm telling you, I'll begin to descend on you, Mami Waters. You know Mami Waters on black.
My leg! Oh, because it's very deep. He would not feel the job with water. He would not feel for 2 days. I'm sorry. You'll be fine. My leg.
Chumamba, what is wrong with your leg? What happened to you?
I was cutting firewood for my uncle Idoko, and I mistakenly cut my leg. I was begging him to take me to the hospital for treatment, but he insisted I must fill the drum with water, else I'll sleep outside for 2 days without food. Idoko
ordered that you must fill the drum, otherwise you will sleep outside. Yes. Idoko noticed this thing on your leg. He insisted that you must fill the drum. That man is wicked. What about his daughter? His Agafu's son. What about that one? Look, you're not going anywhere. Go reverse. He will beat me. Don't worry. Reverse. Go back. Look at the way you're limping and he's sending you to go and fetch water. That man is evil. Go back. Go back. Reverse. Don't reverse. I will confront him. Go. Don't be afraid. I am here. I'm here to protect you at all times. You don't have to be afraid whenever I'm with you. Go.
He shall forever remain silent. Say no evil. Say no evil.
I'm glad. You need to see the wound, the bite he inflicted on my back last night. That boy is evil himself. Please, I want you to make sure that you do this because I am still feeling pain as I'm talking to you now.
Itoko, take it easy. At the end of today, it shall not be over.
Hurry up, oh. Do. Hurry up and effect this.
Okay.
Let's go and lay ambush to the road leading to his house. Drop the beer so that he will drink it. Okuchi yante. And I will take her. Hurry up.
It shall be done.
I have suffered so much in the hands of that drunk.
It shall be done.
Value to his life. And I will take her.
Okunaga wam anya na fuya. Ojaba neje oje yiye buo.
Onyalolo ana idoko chukwu na fogwa n'oge onyalolo ana.
So now you people have turned this place into your nonsense place where you do your nonsense. This is your local hotel now.
Obasagi, what is your business?
My business in this case is that you should apply some dignity to your person. Apply some respect to yourself. Anywhere you go, you qua. Anywhere you go, you qua. Respect yourself. In case you want to do this your nonsense, go and look for a short-time hotel where you practice your escapade. Look at our grasses. They are all tired of you. Accord some respect to our grasses. Allow them to breathe good air and stop this your nonsense.
If you don't keep quiet now, mind your business. I go spell your name with fire now. With fire.
The fire that comes from your Igbo. The Igbo that has already condemned your heart. That's what you're talking about. Let me tell you, shut up and stop vibrating. You think I'm afraid of your size? You cannot do anything. What I am telling you people is that you people should stop this nonsense you are doing to our grasses. Stop, we go. Pity our grass. Pity all these grasses. Our grasses have suffered enough from this your escapade. They have suffered enough from this your escapade too. If look at you. Look at this one is not chaff. Let me tell you, your nyash, your ass was big. Since you began to acquire everywhere you see, anywhere you see, you go and do this, your rubbish, your ass has begun to go inside. Rubbish. Try this nonsense and come to pantry that produces oil that we use to cook. That day, God will have a long cane on you people. Repent, go. This is when did the road begin to produce drinks? Ozo me wana unko. Ozo is me no voice. That is it. Ozo is me no yeast. Ozo me wana unko. That is in Latin. Ozo is me no yeast. This is could this be aja? If this was the sacrifice, there would have been other items around it. This is not aja. Or could it be that a lorry
I was passing with a lot of drinks. This one fell down. Could it be? Could it be this woman? No, it can't be this woman. Hello! It is not her. If it is her drink, she would have picked it. Perhaps it's all this lorry. Maybe a lorry that was passing. One fell. No, if it was lorry, more than one would have fell. I am sure it is one rascal. All these boys that their hairs are not at a place. These boys that have started using wee to do morning breakfast. Perhaps one of them bought this thing and he heard the voice of his father and decided to throw it away. I am sure it is. Otherwise, what is one bottle of Nku doing here all alone? This Nku is lonely. You need a companion. Let me be your companion. Let me be your friend. Ah, this is brewery. This is brewery. Brewery, everything that has to do with let me be sure it is brewery. Ah, this is your ah, this is this is Nku. This is brewery. Fantastic brewery. It just foamed on my mouth. That is to say that this is original brewery. This brewery is going to follow me to my location right now. I shall be your companion. I like Nku. I no go lie. Now inside I go marry my baby.
I caught you this time. Oteka, this one will teach you a very big lesson.
Please, don't arrest my only son.
Sorry, madam. Your son is the #1 suspect in the robbery in Chikikoku's house. Besides, he was caught with 2 wraps of Igbo.
Hey!
Officer, why can we settle? There's nothing that can be settled. Please.
Oga, this case is beyond me. Say whatever you can and bring big money. Your son wines and dines with criminals.
Young man, let's go.
Oh, now Uncle settle on down. Now, but you do that now. Give them something. Let them leave you. Is it not Igbo?
Oh, please.
I don't even want to know. No, but I'll see you. Oh, I'll see you when I can't get broken up. Then I'm not never ever. I'll see you. You will get it.
Idoko, hurry now, hurry, I'm waiting. Hey, hurry, let me break the news to you before it is cold. Hurry. Police, quoi? Let us keep that one apart. Leave that one for now. Hurry up, let me give you the news. I'm at the usual place. Hurry up. It is done. Oteka is finished. I watched Oteka drink the beer. Yes. And took the remaining to his location. He's finished.
Duriwago. At least a piece of good news. But I have a bigger problem.
Look what again?
My son Polycarp, aka Poco. I told you the police took him away and charged him with 2 big offenses. Smoking Igbo and robbery suspect.
But let that not bother you now. Let us go to Wanyocha and take some lipo. Let us celebrate our liberation from Oteka. We cannot talk about your son. I will make 1 or 2 calls. You go and bury him.
Right.
It worked. Look at him. Hey, it is done. Hey, no more talking. You are finished.
Animal fear has been silent forever.
It's finished.
Now let me see the mouth that he will use to call us evil again. The more has finally dealt with you. Kuchie gono, did they let you tip ya? And I will go take her. Let's go.
Evil. Yes, evil. You want to put chance in the beer for me to drink so that I will fetch it come. You converted beer into charm for me to drink. Little did you know that Olodumare, who is Anyang, is opundential. Anyazare. He sees everything that you did not know. Maybe you have forgotten that thing that happened in the Bible. When Jesus Christ turned the water into wine, that was what he did. Jesus Christ looked at it and said, "No, my son." He transformed it. Tinatona did. It became your poison became glucose. I am angry with you. The reason I am angry is you added a little of that charm. Next time, that quantity was small, though. Put enough quantity so that I will have enough growth. Since I drank that thing, I have now enough energy to consume liquor. My liquor consuming stage before was 10 degrees. Now I consume 80 degrees. Put it enough for 100-degree consumption. Vagabond. Evil men. Akwalo Boda. They will hear your voice and hear my voice. Vagabond.
I'm tired. I miss Papa. I'm tired. You can't go home. My children, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Oh? Stop crying. Oh, it's okay.
I know you people must be hungry.
Small.
I cooked rice.
Come to the palace so that you can eat.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Thank you, ma.
Your uncle is not around, so nobody will question me.
God bless you, ma. Thank you. Let's go.
Oteka said it with his own mouth at Madam White Bar and challenged anybody that doubt him to go and ask them. Hi! So Idoko wanted to kill him just because he's the only one that challenges him in this village. Yes, so because he always fights for Uchechi and Chema. Anyways, pray their suffering ends because it is too much. I wish I have my way now.
You allow them to sit in my parlor. Now I see where they are getting all the support and encouragement for exhibiting insubordination in my house, lady.
Hey! What is it? It don't go again there. They are humans, not animals.
Humans indeed.
Now let me ask you. Where are your own children? One is in the police cell, while the other is at the motor park in an abandoned vehicle, all because of your bad deeds. Stop it. Stop! Oh. Stop all these things.
You need to watch your mouth in this house. I said watch your mouth.
If not, can you hear me?
Watch your mouth or I will put you in your place where you belong.
What else is new?
Onyalulwana.
Idoko, Idoko, Idoko.
Onyalulwana.
Idoko, Idoko, Idoko.
Onyalulwana. Idoko chukuna fungwanugio. Onyalulwana.
What Indigo? Can you imagine? Somebody like Ote Kaneworo class will talk to me anyhow. Eh? Anyway, if you fail to get a room, forget it.
Why you follow me talk like that now? Why you go reason me like that now? You know, sir, I no get steady work. But chill now. If they accept me as one of the Agbero for that park, at least I go find one shop where go dey. Hey! Or even all these empty motor, they don't spoil. Go they crash there. Nobody go fit come pursue us.
Hey! Onyine chukwita laufu. You have ambition. Anyway, I've said it. If you fail to get a room, forget it. I won't just leave you. I won't just leave you. But I will move in with that Aboki near the shop in front of Chifokafo's house. Chaka Horo.
Wait. See, I just hear you talk now. You want to go to that?
Aboki, what do you know? Do you have a house? Do you?
You dey crazy? When last thunder fire you last? You dey like? You don't forget that I mean that guy. I mean the follow reason though.
Boko, one name that's fire. Don't touch me, oh!
Don't touch me! You want make I wash you for you?
Boko, don't touch me, oh! Don't touch me, oh! Don't touch me! I will come Boko for you.
What is he pointing at? What is he pointing? You're pointing at somebody's land, Iduko. Let me tell you, this land belongs to Chimamba's father, and Chimamba has come to possess her father's land. In case you want to sell this land as the owner, it's alright, sell it. But if you sell this land, and it's going to kill you. Do you know what is Pagadi Ongunaho? Pagadi Ongunaho. This land will Pagadi Ongunaho. If you try it, watch it and see. Sell it, let me see you. Vagabond. Idoko, what is going on? What is going on? You told me that this land belongs to you. You are not deaf and dumb. Stop, talk again. Stop asking questions, okay? This land belongs to Chimamba here. And as far as I live, and Chimamba lives in this same community, this land belongs to her. Go and thank your God that I came in time. If this man had sold the land, come on, if you have paid him, take your money back. This land belongs to Chimamba, Chimamba's father. Chimamba, stand strong on your father's land. This evil man, no, there's no, if you like, mope. Look the way you want to look, you cannot harm this girl. As far as I am concerned, Idiko, you can't do anything. You are parading yourself. Onyempompo, Onyenganka. Nothing can get at you. Don't worry, I know, look at your BS everywhere. I have told you, someday I will come with Agoba, Resoble, Borgia. I will apply that method that I am sure, because in the Bible, Samson's hair was the source of power. I am sure that is where your charm lies. I will apply the method of Delilah. You go to jail. It's all right.
Thank you.
I'm grateful. No, it's okay.
I don't know what I did to this man.
Let me tell you, you did not know. This man can even correct God. The way this man is,
why is he behaving like this?
This man will call police for God. This man, don't be surprised that this man will go to police station.
Is very wicked.
This man will go to police station to go and make entry against God that he wants to arrest God.
That is my plans, Durek. Failure means doom for me.
Idoko, I will support you 100%.
Good.
I shall stand by you.
Yes.
Go on and make arrangements. I'm solidly behind you.
Very good. I will inform you as soon as I am done.
Till then.
Okay?
Till then, yes.
So, I guess I'll see you.
Till then.
Ichi Asagwa. Duru. And Ibezim. I sent for you to be my witnesses because I know the time will come when you testify on my behalf. Because they say that I am a wicked man in this family. That I don't want anything to prosper their life in this family. But I want to prove people wrong by setting the record straight. Through this my singular initiative that will change their life for good till infinity.
Yes, that's a good one. A right step towards the right direction. It will definitely help them in life. No doubt about that. Oh yes.
Chimamba here. she will learn how to become a designer. And then she will enter the university to learn how to become a medical doctor.
Oh.
Yes.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my elder.
This is remarkable. Idoko, of course. You're a kind man.
Oh, yes.
And highly hearted man.
Uchechi. She will learn how to become a nurse. And she will do that under a woman that owns a midwifery. She's a qualified old nurse. And at the same time, she will learn how to how to sew.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Welcome. That is very, very wonderful.
Huh?
Dr. Goodman.
Let me tell you before you know wonderful. No? Before you begin to wonderful. Look, Ibezim. Iche Ibezim. Let me, in fact, come over. Ibezim, my spirit is trying to reveal something to me. Come, let me reveal to you what my spirit is trying to.
Who brought you or invited you to this discussion? Who made you a part of this conversation? This is a private discussion.
Thank you very much. This is a useless question that deserves a useful answer. I know if it is for you, you will not invite me here. It is Jehovah Jireh. Jehovah, the man who sees in light and in dark. He invited me and said, my son, move here. I left where I was. Where I was and came to this place. I know if it is for you, let me move here. If I say move over. Let me tell you.
To that fool.
Yes, I am a fool. I ate well. I overate. I fool. You are big for nothing. In fact, there is this latest motto now. Camry. It is called big for nothing. That is who you. In fact, you are a Camry. Let me tell you. It's come. Let me reveal to you what my spirit. My spirit. I don't doubt my spirit. Come over. Come overcome. Be an overcomer. Overcomer.
Let me hear from you.
Come, let me tell you.
Okay.
This is an harassment. That is an harassment. It's important. This man is a bad
I can't understand you. Say something tangible.
This is Latin. I am speaking in Latin. This man
This man has not said anything to you. And you're still standing there like a fool.
If he said I have not said anything, didn't you hear anything? That means he's deaf. His command is muting you now like toy. A married man like you.
I haven't understood anything from you.
He said you are.
You have not made any point.
Let me tell you, Idiko or Dikeh or Idikuro, I am not afraid of you. You cannot get at me. I am telling you. I have seen men with mpo. My grandfather was an mpo maker. If you don't know, I have used several kinds of mpo. This one is even painted. My grandfather used to use a natural mpo without any paint. So I know how to handle people with mpo. You understand? I handled my grandfather very, very well, judiciously. For you,
can you come
very soon and bring
Can you allow us
I am
to
telling you.
discussion?
I am. Look at you are a woman. Close your mouth when men are talking. I don't even know your species.
He has not said anything.
Did he make any sense to you?
Nothing.
He was just running his mouth. Hey, you don't do mad we ain't got good. Oteka. Whenever you are in a crucial meeting, you see him come like a drunk.
Is he from this village?
I don't even care where he came from. The nuisance.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
That's the girl. She's Boko. I hope she's what you want.
My husband. Exactly what I wanted.
Okay. Okay then. See you.
My dear, what is your name?
My name is Uchechi Okekibo.
Gumba, I thought you enrolled me in School of Nursing. You don't know my name.
Sorry, my dear, I was trying to make sure.
Okay.
Ma, your house is fine. You're welcome. Come with me. Okay, ma.
I want you to be a good girl. You know you're going from the village. This man here is rich. You will not lack anything.
Yes, sir.
His house everywhere is fully air conditioned. Yeah? You said you want to be a good designer.
Yes,
He will help you to achieve that. And remember, you promised me you go to university to learn how to be a doctor. You don't have any problem, okay?
Okay.
I wish you well.
Thank you.
You can follow the other side.
Okay.
How much?
100,000.
Okay, good. Remember. Bye-bye.
Chijileji gefe ụkwụ ọzọnụ ihe dị ọkụ gaju n'oyi ebezina nwata bịara ụwa dị benuo mama gị anọrị nso.
Onyinye, what did I hear you say? Did I hear you say you're pregnant? For who? For who?
For Janka.
Onye?
Janka.
Who is Janka? And where does he live?
Let me give you the full gist. Number 1, he stays at the motor park.
Hey!
In an abandoned car.
Hey!
And number 2, he's Boko's friend. It's even better for me. He's already family. You should be happy you're having a grandchild and you're coming from Mugo soon.
Omugwebe? Here? Where? Huh? In an abandoned vehicle, na motor park. Here. Onyinye, why? Why do you want to kill me before my time? Eh? Why?
You will not die.
Akwana fugone! Uchima! Onyinye ogene! Eh?
Kende neba. Hey! Onyi baby. Nwa na-ekolo gị na-ekasa.
Hello, nwanne m.
Isi yon. Nwanne ka ọ ga-efe na mena. Lekwa my baby. Ga-efe na mena. Hey, ga-efe na mena nwa.
Nwanne.
Nwe na there. Dey game. Mbele ga-efe na mena. Dey come. Nwe ga-efe na mena. How far now? What's it so?
Please.
Mama. Ọ dị ka ị read the mood mmadụ. Your mom say. Careful. So, I thought you were a Christian. You should have looked to my face. You know that I'm not happy. Mama, I have been sacked from school. Do you expect me to be happy? If you know what is good for you now, just go inside. Let me ask them to smoke my wajamba. You go.
Hey! Idoko, you have to come back. Oh, I cannot do this. Idoko Nataba, oh, come back. I cannot do this. Hey, truly, when you sow evil, you reap evil. I can't do this now. I cannot. Bia,
Mama, we're going to listen now. Come on, calm down.
Come on! The fire stop!
Mama, please. I don't like it. What's all this now? Can't I enjoy my own father's house? Therefore, I'm okay now. Ma, call him. Na meche bi dogo na. Mo ka chole hun. Ka ro be sibo no. Look see someone's project.
Hello, you want them?
Nwa, ebi na buchalu ta come on. Miss Ikule.
Uncle, this house is very fine. Eh? I'll take that room, so I'll be keeping her from this side. Yes, it's very fine.
It's okay. Let me have the bag.
Sir?
Let me keep the bag.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Iche, Doko. I greet you. This business I've done with you. I hope there will be no disappointment along the line.
Asogwa, do I look like someone that tells stories? Or tells stories that touches the heart? Eh? I'm not here for stories. Listen, she is now your property. You have bought and paid for her right. She belongs to you now. Just take her.
Sealed and delivered.
Carry go.
Okay. It's my pleasure doing business with you.
Pleasure is mine. Yes. Always.
But in appreciation of this business, I know I've paid you for the business, but
after your full payment,
yes,
you still want to appreciate me.
This one is just for your color, just to drink.
All this for me.
Yes, yeah. No problem.
Asogwa, you are too much. We are
going to do more
business. Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're a good man. Hey, Asogwa, Diego. Okay. Hey.
Sir, please. Please. Let me take my bath. Please change my clothes.
Take your bath?
Yes.
I think you're here for fashion parade. Look at her head. That's why I couldn't do any reasonable job yesterday. You're here crying, you want to take your bed. The tipper is coming tomorrow. I feel like when you get there to the side tomorrow, don't do anything.
Is this a school Marco said he was sending me to? Is this where I want to learn the fashion designing? How am I going to become a doctor here?
Stop this nonsense you're doing. If you like, open a water corporation board and start supplying water to other communities with this your fake urine. It does not matter to me. I want to tell you something. You see this evil gang? This evil gang that you and Idiko and the rest have ganged in order to take Uchechi and Chimampa away. For Idiko to have the chances to sell all their father's property. It will not work for you people. As far as I am concerned, and I'm alive in this community, I will continue exposing you people. It will not work for you. Go and market somewhere. It will not work for you. You're mopping at me, evil man. Let me tell Idiko that I am aware of all the nkata, all the rubbish, nonsense nkata that you people are buying. Stop buying nkata. On about all nkata. Chineka push on no. Chineka pop you on a real dross. You people should. Chineka pop you on a real dross. Stop it. It is not good. Tell Idika. Idiko kosa we Idikini. Tell him I said so. Prepare to change.
Who gives this wrong accurate information? Is it a human being or a spirit?
Madam, this soup did not burn. It just burns once. I told someone when I realized that the soup was burning and I checked it and told it up. This It's not both. Ma, I've been awake since 5 o'clock walking. I've not slept, I've not eaten. That was what about. It is not both. I'm not lying to you.
Shut up your mouth. You are lying. You are a lying church.
Ma, don't use to lie. Ma, don't use to lie.
Jesus Christ.
Ma, don't use to lie.
So, after all the money I spent to send you to school and bribing, just to make sure that you gain admission, you are finally sent home for raping a girl.
Papa, can you pause now? Calm down.
Huh? Papa, I was on my own, jejely. Next tell you boom. I said,
and then when you do mess when you be
and message paying up on Instagram. Huh? You know I hate smoking with people. These people started embarrassing me. I decided to come back to my father's house now. My father, you own a house. Let me smoke with you. Yeah.
Hey! 320,000 naira gone down the ocean in the name that I want to send my son to higher institution. Look at him. And you. Wanyoma, what is your problem? Eh? Who put you in that condition?
Are you asking me again? I've told Mama already. It is Janka, Poco's friend who stayed at the motor park in an abandoned car.
Hey!
Okay now.
Lord have mercy. Jesus. My own daughter inside an abandoned motor car. And you had the guts to go so low. Eh? To sleep with him. And now look at you. Both of you are nothing but children of disgrace. You are worthless children. Again, worthless children, that's what you are.
Can you imagine?
Are you okay? Careful now. Papa, careful. Careful and listen now. Careful be your problem. It's not my issue now. You got what down with the problem.
Papa, what is your problem? What is your problem? If I don't sleep with him, do you want me to sleep with you?
Where are you now?
One day, I play the show.
It's like I'm walking now.
Wow.
One day.
Careful. Let's see.
One nugget, I call a gaka.
You know what I'm Careful now, hold on.
Thank you very much, Commander. I greet you people. One more thing that I have to say. You see all these miniskirts that people are wearing. These are the things that leads our young youth into stealing. Because when they see all these covertures, when they see all these things, to tempt it will be their problem. And before you know it, they have those to work and toto. They go to steal money in order to buy things to impress you people. Look, I want you people to save our youths. Save them from Gago life. Save them from doing all this stealing because of what they saw and because they want to impress you. It is not good. Stop it.
Don't take her. This is nothing now. Besides, it's a modern way of dressing.
I am not disputing the fact that this is the usual dressing now. No problem. But what I just gave you is my own piece of advice. Please, you people should stop making our boys believe. Stop putting our boys into the lives of Umumefu Agafuism.
Okay, what do you want us to be wearing?
This is a godly question that deserves a godly answer. Look, by the time you get home, meet your mothers. Tell your mothers to give you abada so that you will use it and cover yourselves. Cover yourselves properly. Because in the olden days, a woman covers herself properly. All the natural endowments that can come from heaven, she butchers it. The only time she will expose it for any man to see is when they are inside the room. that is when she unveils those things. But these days, the way you people sell yourselves in bazaar is becoming appalling. It's becoming too much. That is why when a man takes you inside, he will no longer see anything again. And before you know it, it causes Alogide.
Doteka, don't worry. Very soon, you understand what's up.
Exactly.
It's okay. It's alright. I have given my own piece of advice. If you take it, you like. You don't take it.
My goodness. Uchechi, what are you doing? Uchechi, don't tell me you're still mopping this floor.
I was cleaning your...
Uchechi, was doing what? Uchechi, do you want to stay the whole day in mopping the floor? Oh my God. Knowing too well you still have place to wash.
I'll wash it.
Wash what? Uchechi.
Mom.
Jesus Christ. You're still mopping. My God, like this. Come back here. Ma, no. Come back here.
No, ma, sorry. Ma, sorry. Hey, ma, sorry. Hey,
you're still mopping this floor.
Oh, my son, like
that. What?
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? So Chanka has the mind to impregnate you. What I will do to both of you, eh? What I will do to both, even God cannot say it. Come on, let's move on.
All those people you're doing, are they not people's sister? Are they not people's sister? Don't touch my lover, oh! Don't touch him, oh! Last.
Okay. Hey, glory be to God. But now you have to walk through me. Come on, carry on, son.
Come on. On a walkie walk. On a walkie walk. Even on a wee walk.
On a wee walk. Even man, you're gonna get a Tankagan. You're not the bro. No,
on a wee walk. So you know, on a wee walk. Never going Yoku. Next week, Yoku. Sugin Yoku. Subagin Yoku Nafo. Now you know on a wee walk. All this while like you are with him, you did not know that on a me Yoku. Suddenly you have realized on a me Yoku. On a wee walk. Next week Yoku. I pay Yoku. Erin Yoku. What do you go back in Afo? It go. Aha! It has happened. It has happened. They used to say, the evil that men do lives after them. Now it lives with them immediately. Let me, it go. All the evil that you melted on Uchechi and Chidimampa, our sister. Now you are reaping it. It is going to come to you triple times. Look at your daughter. Your daughter is pregnant for Jaguda. Jaguda impregnated your daughter. You have a son-in-law of Jagudaism. Your mates have good son-in-laws. You have for Jaguda. The boy is going to bring you a professorship of Jagudaism. That's your grandson or granddaughter. On a wee walk. Now you know, not a wee walk. When you are doing it with him, you did not know that not a wee walk. Or wee walk is starting what happened. I am sure that.
Idoko. Okunaga wom anya na fuya. Idoko chuku na fokwa no kio nyalolwana. Ojaba neje oje yiyebuo. Nyalolwana. Idoko chuku na fokwa no kio nyalolwana. Mpulo ye kule mano nyako.
My sisters, like what I was saying before, I'm very happy for them. Even the village and the wickedness of the uncle will never make their life the same again.
Honestly, their life will change for good and nothing but for good. Chimampa and Uchechi are very brilliant. I strongly believe that anywhere they are, they will definitely win.
Yes. It beats my imagination that their wicked uncle could allow them
to go to the city to better their lives. Seriously.
Maybe it's because Otega has been on his neck all this while.
You are right, my sister. Probably the uncle might have changed, decide to change for your life. I think you have a point too.
I beg you, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! My God! Oh my God! Sir, please. Please, I beg you. Okay, please. Please, I will not run again. Please, please, don't hurt me. Please, sir. Let me just go. Let me just go, sir. Sir, please. No.
Ebezina, wata bialu wadi benu. Mama gio anorinso, Papa gio anoinso. Mana chiki no giso.
Yeah, welcome back from South Africa.
Thank you, Mama. Yeah, I'm glad to be home. You know,
I'm glad to see you again.
I'm glad to see you, Bob. And the good news is I've made it.
Oh!
I've made it big time, Bob. Big time, man. I don't know where to go. I'm more young.
Oh, better than that.
That's the true son of
You came over.
Oh, I'm proud of you, son.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And who's the new girl in the house?
The new girl in the house? Ah, she's Uchechi. She's one of us. In fact, she won't run away like the other ones. She's cool-headed.
That explains why she's hardworking and beautiful, you know what I mean?
She has no choice, especially when I'm in charge of
what I want.
Don't you
trust you, mommy.
My son, let's get close to the
I'm hungry already. I've been waiting. It's good to be home.
Came now on enough.
Why will you hide such an information from me, Mama? Hey, Mama!
Hide what? Mama! I hope you're not believing you're not buying whatever she's selling. No. What is it I try to do? What is it I try to do?
So, you escaped from your master.
It's like a grave at the back of the house. Anyone? Did anybody die? Because excuse me.
Oh, something that looked like grave. It's my yam. I had to dig a hole to preserve my yam to avoid termite attack.